In today's episode, I'm going to tackle a couple of common problems that I've had on all of my cars, and that is anytime you apply like a water beading technology to your windshield, like Rain-X or something, it seems to just go away within a few days and you don't have that neat water beading effect. So I'm going to tackle that issue with a couple different things. First, I'm going to use perfect clarity glass from Meguiar's. I'm going to polish the windshield down to get all the micro scratches out of it, which I think is probably most of the issue as to why Rain-X isn't working as well as it should be. A couple of my daily driver cars, I've had a new windshield installed on them, and those seem to work okay, but this is more for the older windshield that we're just trying to bring back to life. And then we're gonna follow up with a ceramic coating from Invisible Glass. First thing to do is clean the windshield thoroughly. I just have a towel with some isopropyl alcohol on it and get all the rest of the dust off the windshield. So you can see all these little white spots here. These are just like little tiny rock chips. Some of them will go away, but I think a majority of them will probably stick around. The ceramic coating isn't really meant to take care of all of that, but I'm gonna see how good I can get the windshield to look. So the application method I chose to use was a DA polisher from Meguiar's. They make a little drill attachment one to put on the glass polish. Let's do a quick unboxing of this stuff. New microfiber towel, application squeegee pad, pair of gloves. These ones are actually looking nice. I'll keep those for later. Another microfiber towel, and then the actual ceramic coating itself. So I read through the instructions. They consider this their true ceramic coating, and it makes a covalent bond with the glass itself instead of just sitting on top like a spray ceramic would do. So this might be similar to what you would put on the body of your car. It's supposed to be better than any wax you could put on. It is pricey. This was like $60 for the container. It's got multiple uses in it, and I'll probably do all of my cars and maybe some other people's cars by the time this stuff runs out. So in this shot, some of the streaks that you see are actually just on the inside. I still have to detail the car yet. Here goes nothing. Get a few drops of the ceramic on here. We're not gonna make it soaked. So we're gonna watch the windshield for like a purplish rainbow haze coming on. And once that has occurred, it's time to wipe. The instructions stated we have a wet buffing cloth and a dry buffing cloth. So right after about between 1 and 5 minutes, when this stuff starts to rainbow haze, we're gonna wipe this off to get 95% of the material. And then this one is supposed to remove the other 5% as the dry buffing. It's a little colder out today, so it's taking a little longer. I could probably do another section before that part cures. So we're starting to see the rainbow streak here. I'm gonna knock it down with this. I wasn't exactly excited with how that first layer turned out, so it says on the instructions if it doesn't go well, just do another layer and it should come out okay. So with the exception of the dirt on the inside of the car, Despite my low expectations for this stuff, it actually took care of a majority of the scratches. All of this is perfectly smooth here. It did not take care of the chips. As you can still see little pits here and there throughout the windshield, but it did clear up a lot of the scratches. So I'll give this some time to cure and we'll test the water beading. All right, and here's how the water beads after that first application. Just runs right down the windshield quick. So the question I wanted to answer today was, does applying a ceramic coating to an old beat up windshield with pits and scratches bring it back to an ability to bead water again, where Rain-X or anything else would not work before? The answer would be yes. I am very satisfied with how this turned out. I'm gonna be doing it to all my other vehicles. It says you can do it on headlights and things like that too, so I'll be doing that. It's pretty awesome stuff. I highly recommend using it. I'll probably add another coat to this one just to get it even more, because I don't think I applied it correctly the first couple of times. So I'll give it one more coat, and I'll probably even add Rain-X on top of that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more videos of this car and other ones we have going on in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.